Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have studied in our last session? Yes, we have started our new chapter metric measures, isn't it? And we have started studying about conversion of metric units. In that we have solved some examples of conversion of length higher to lowest unit. Now today we are going to see conversion of length lower to higher unit. Now let us see. Okay, first one, 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So to convert from centimeter to meter, divide by 100, exactly reverse. We have seen in conversion of length higher to lower, what we have done, 1 meter is equals to 100. To convert meter to centimeter, we have multiplied by 100. Now to convert centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. See, only this much difference is there. So here we will solve the examples. Convert 675 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Now observe the pattern. What is the number? 675 centimeter. Now 6 is what? Meter, and 75 is what? Centimeter. So here 6 centimeter, when we want to convert, we have to divide by 100, isn't it? But convert 675 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Already we have divided here. So here 600 centimeter plus 775 meter. So 600, how to divide? By 100. So 600 division by 100, what will be the answer? 0 cut, 0 cut, 0 cut, 0 cut. So 6 is remaining. So 6 meter plus 75 centimeter is equals to, so the answer is 6 meter and 75 centimeter. Got it? Here you can do in the shortcut way directly also. You can do in this way also by dividing the numbers. Clear? Yes. Now we'll move to the next concept. Now see, 10 mm is equals to 1 centimeter. So to convert from millimeter to centimeter, divide by 10. What we have studied previously, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. To convert from centimeter to millimeter, multiply by 10, here divided by 10. So we need to divide. So the examples, see the examples, convert 66 mm into centimeter and millimeter. Now 66 millimeter. Now 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter. So 60 means how many? So what we have to do? We have to divide by 10. So cross 10 10. Here 1 no value, 6 is remaining, 6. You can do otherwise in this way also, don't be confused. 10 6 are 60, 0 0. The answer is 6 and the 6 mm as it is. So the answer is 6 centimeter 6 mm. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we'll move to the next. The next is what? 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So to convert from meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. To convert kilometer to meter, we used to multiply by 1000. Now to convert meter to kilometer, now what we are doing? Lower to higher. Kilometer is higher. To higher, to convert into lower, we have to multiply, and when we want to convert lower into higher, we have to divide by 1000. Now we will see the example. Convert 3848 meter into kilometers and meters. Now how we can convert 3848 meter is equals to, see, this 3 is meter. So what is remaining here? 3000. Isn't it? Yes, 3000. So what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. So 3000 divided by 1000. Cross 1 1, cross 1 1 0, 1 1 0. So what is remaining? 3. So write here 3 kilometer 848 meter. Okay, 3 km and 848 meter. Understood? You can observe the pattern also. See here, observe the pattern. 3848 meter. How we can convert into kilometer and meter? Last 3 digit convert into meter, and the first digit 3 is directly kilometer. Okay, when there are 4 digit only. Now we'll move to the next. Now we will see, now we have seen conversion of length. Now we will see conversion of weight. Now see, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, isn't it? So to convert from kg to g, multiply by 1000, and reverse versa. If you want to convert gram into kg, to convert from gram to kg, what you have to do? Divide by 1000. From higher to lowest, multiply by 1000, and lowest to higher, divide by 1000. This shortcut you keep in your mind. Now we will solve the example. See what are the examples. 1. Convert 3 kg to gram. Now 3 kg is equals to convert kg to gram, what we have to do? Multiply by 1000. So write 3 multiplied by 1000 gram. So 3 zeros as it is, 3 ones are 3, 3000 gram. The next question. Timmy is a dog. His weight is 2 kg 475 gram. How many grams is that? See. So 2 kg 475. So 2 kg we have to convert into gram. To convert kg into gram, multiplied by 1000 gram. Okay. So 3 zeros write as it is. Here I'll write. And 2 ones are 2 and plus 475 gram. So we add this together. 2475 addition 5742, 2475 gram. Clear? Yes. Now see the second example. Convert 4555 gram into kg and gram. They had given gram now. Now we have to convert into kg and gram. How many kgs are there and how many grams are there in 4555? Okay. Now see, 4000 gram plus 555. Now what we have to do? To convert gram to kilogram, we have to divide. So divide by 1000. See, gram to kilogram. So divide by 1000. Cross 3 zeros, cross 3 zeros. What is remaining? 4. So write here 4. So how many kg and grams are there in 4555? 4 kg 555 gram. Clear till here? Understood? Yes, very good. Now we'll move to the next. Now we will see our third, that is conversion of capacity. Now we have seen conversion of length, conversion of weight, now conversion of capacity. Now how to do conversion of capacity? See, we have seen, I have given you examples of water bottle. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. To convert from liter to milliliter, what you have to do? Multiply by 1000, and this is higher to lower. And if you want to convert lower to higher, what you have to do? Divide by 1000. I'll repeat again. To convert from liter to milliliter, multiplied by 1000, and to convert from milliliter to liter, divide by 1000. keep in your mind these shortcuts. Okay, now we will solve this two examples. Convert into milliliters, A and B. Now 10 liter they had given. So to convert liter to milliliter, liter is higher, higher to lower, multiplied by 1000. I will multiply it by 1000. Now 30 plus 10, how many zeros? 4. And 1 ones are 1. So how many milliliter? 10,000 milliliter. Got it? The second example. 5 liter 995 milliliter is equals to, so 5 liter if you want to convert into milliliter, we have to multiply it by 1000. So they had given already, then add 995 milliliter. So this multiplication is 3 zeros as it is, 5 ones are 5. And the addition 995. So do the addition, 5000 plus 995, 5995. So the answer is 5995 milliliter. Clear? Yes. Now we will see the second example. 15,865 milliliter of water was poured into the bucket. How many liter and milliliter is that? See, they had given this much milliliter poured into a bucket. Now we have to convert. Now they had given lower, we have to convert into higher. Lower to higher means divide. So 15,000 milliliter plus 865 milliliter. Now to convert 15,000 into liter, we have to divide by 1000. Cross 3 zeros, 3 zeros. What is remaining? 15. So write here 15 and here 865 milliliter as it is. So the answer is 15 liter 865 milliliter poured into a bucket. Clear? Understood? Yes, very good. See, while converting anything, how you will commit the mistake they had given. So you should not do that. So I will explain you this. Put a correct on the correct answer, and can you point out the mistake in the wrong answers? See, convert 5 kilogram 5 mm to meter is equals to 55 meter, 505 meter and 5005 meter. Now we have to convert km. What? Km into meter, isn't it? So how many kilometer? Yes. How many? What we have to do? To convert higher to lower, multiply, isn't it? So kilometer means 1000. So what we do? 5000 means 5 multiplied by 1000. And plus, already they had given 5 meter. We will write as it is. So here is 5000 plus 5. So when we do the addition, we get 5005. So the answer is this one. Clear? Yes. The next. So by mistakenly, if you multiply by 10, so you will get this answer. If you multiply by 100, you will get this answer. But the correct answer is 5005. Why? Because we are converting kilometer. Kilometer means 1000 meter. Got it? Now the next. Convert 7005 gram to kg. Now lower they are given, we have to convert into kg, into higher. So we have to divide. What we have to divide? 7005. First we will separate 7000 kg and 5 gram. So if I divide 7000 by 1000, what is the answer? Cross cross, 7 is remaining. 7 kg and 5 gram. This is our answer. Check here. 7 kg 5 gram. This is correct. So how 70 kg and 5 gram will come? If you divide by 10. If you divide by 100, you will get this answer. Isn't it? So you should not do this common mistake. So you should know properly measurement table. The next we are going to study about addition in metric system. Okay. To write the measures to be added correctly in the column under the correct units. See, what are they? To avoid confusion, write meters, millimeters and grams in 3 digit. For example, 58 mg has 058 mg, and centimeter in 2 digit. For example, 5 centimeter has 0.5 centimeter. So you should not be confused while writing. So you have to use, if you are writing meter, millimeter and grams in 3 digit, you have to use 0 before number, and centimeter in 2 digit you have to add 0. Okay. Now we will see the examples. Now what is the question? Add 48 liter 360 milliliter and 64 liter 90 milliliter. Now what is the step 1? We have to add milliliters, isn't it? What are the milliliters? 360 and 90, 3 digit and 1 digit. See, so you should not be confused exactly where to write. So what you will do? You will write in this way, liter and milliliter, and the next is 64, 90. So here you commit the mistake. So if you do the correct addition also, the answer will be totally wrong. So whenever they had given milliliter into 3 digit or 2 digit, you have to write in 3 digit only by adding the 0. Clear? Yes, very good. So we write in this way, and 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 9 is 15, carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, carry 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. So the answer is 112 liters and 450 milliliters. Clear? Understood? Now we will see the second example. Now what is the second example? Add 28 centimeter 8 mm and 12 centimeter 9 mm. So first millimeters, what they had given? Millimeters. We have to add first millimeter then centimeter. So draw nice columns for the centimeter and millimeters. Without drawing also you can do, but write properly the numbers. So add first millimeter, 8 plus 9 is 17, carry 1 to the centimeter, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, again carry 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is what? 41 centimeter 7 millimeter. Now see the third question. Add 32 meters 78 centimeter and 48 meter 35 centimeter, and also fill in the blanks. They had given, we have to fill in the blanks. Now add centimeter 75 centimeter plus 35 centimeter is equals to dash dash. Now first we will start from here. 8 plus 5, tell me. Correct? Yes. 13. So write here 3, carry 1. Isn't it? Now again we add this. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So write here 1 and carry 1. But here answer is what? 13 centimeters. So write here 13 centimeter. 13 no. How we can write 13? Here 1 is there. So 113 we have carried already. Okay. Now the next. Dash dash centimeter is equals to dash dash meter and dash dash centimeter. So 113 centimeter means how many meters it converted? Carry 1 meter. See, 1 went into meter and the 13 is remaining into centimeter. Isn't it? Yes. So the next we have to add this. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So here that what given? Write dash dash centimeter in the dash dash column. centimeter. Which centimeter? Yes, write 1 centimeter in the meter column and carry 1 meter into the, where we have carried? Into, yes, meter column only. So add meters. How many meters are there? 32. The next is 48 plus, now see, add meters. What are the meters here? First is 1 meter, the second is 32 meter, and the next is 48 meters. So when we add this all together, we get 81 meter. So write how many? 81 meter. We write in which column? Meter column. Clear? Yes. The fourth example on page number 103, you are going to solve by your own. Now we will see subtraction in metric system. How to do subtraction? Subtract 348 kilometer 560 meter from 1000 kilometer. So subtract meter, 3-digit number. Okay. So hence 1000 and millimeter you have to write, because in the next question we have to subtract from 1000, but here they had given in the meter and kilometer, but only we have to minus from meter. So they are not given any meter, so you have to write meter has a 0, 0, 0. And now see how we can do. Here what they have done, directly instead of going 1 1 zeros, cut 3 zeros, write as it is. Neighbor is having 1000, he will give 1. Who is our neighbor? Kilogram. Kilogram is having 1000, he will give 1. So your 999 kilogram will remain. So now here we can subtract 1000 minus 560. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6 we cannot do, cut the 0, write as it is, take borrow from neighbor, neighbor also don't have, go with the next neighbor, he is having 1, he will give 1, 0 will remain. Now he will give 1, here 9 will remain. Now 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4. Understood? Now the next, how to subtract this? 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6. Clear? Yes, is that clear? Yes, very good. Understood? Subtraction also, just while writing the number, write properly. Now second example, you see by your own. Now I explain you third example from this. Now subtract 48 meter 72 centimeter from 92 meter 8 centimeter. See here 2 digit, 2 digit, here 2 digit and here 1 digit. So what you are going to do, students? You have to write 2 digit only. So place 0 before 8. See, you can see here in this way. So now 8 minus 2, yes, can we? Yes, we can. But here thing is what? Meter is different, centimeter is different. So here 0, 8 is there. So we cannot subtract from 0. So what we have to do? Take borrow from neighbor, that is, he is having 4. First 8 minus 2 is 6. Now 0 minus 7 we cannot, cut the 0, write as it is, neighbor is having 4, he will give 1, 3 will remain. Now 10 minus 7 is 3. Now 3 minus 8, can we? Yes? No, we cannot. So what we have to do? Take borrow from neighbor, neighbor is having 9, he will give 1 and here 8 will remain. Now 13 minus 8, 8 after count till 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 5. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 45 meter 36 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Now fourth one example you solve by your own. Now we will see multiplication and division of metric units. Okay. Now see, Look at the examples. Madhu drank 8 glasses of water in a day. If the capacity of glass is 250 ml, how much water did he drink? So, the capacity of one glass, how much they are given? 250 milliliter, isn't it? So, we have to add 250, 250, 250, how many times? 8 times. So, repetition of addition shortcut is multiplication. So, what we do? Capacity of, to find out 8 glasses, we have to multiply 8 multiplied by 250. So, do the multiplication as a rough work. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 0 here 4 will be carry, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So, the answer is 2000 milliliter, but we have to find out how much water did she drink into liter. How many liters? 2000 milliliter means 2 liter. See, lower to higher convert, divide by 1000. So 3 zeros cut, 3 zeros cuts. What is remaining? 2 liter. Clear? Now we will see the second example. What is second example? 1 kg of sweets is equally divided between 5 friends. So how much did each friend get? See, divided. As I explained you, division with the example of friends only. So they want to divide the sweets. How many sweets are there? 1 kg. And they want to divide between 5 friends. So what we have to do? We have to do the division. So 1 kg means how many grams, students? 5 friends got 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram of sweet. So 1000 gram when we divide into 5 friends, see 5 twos are 10, 0, 0. Bring down 0, we cannot divide, so give 0. Again bring down 0, we cannot divide, so give 0. So what is the answer? 200. So when we divide, one friend got 1000 gram divided by 5 means 200 gram. Clear till here? Understood? Yes? Yes. So here we have completed metric measures all the concept from the beginning. We have seen conversion of metric units, in that conversion of length higher to lower, conversion of length lower to higher, conversion of weight, conversion of capacity, and we have seen some story sums of metric system: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now what you will do? You will practice these sums whatever I have solved today in your rub book, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the Google Meet. Till that time, take care, bye bye and thank you.